The town's primary role is to be able to facilitate an environment in which businesses can have success.
In our oil industry, there's a lot of fracking that goes on, and previously those trucks were loading from our vending station, so they were using our potable water.
The water is meant for the community, for the hotels, for the spray parks in the backyard. It's not necessarily meant for industrial fracking in the volumes that we use.
In order to treat your water, they need to backwash. When we backwash, all the backwash water is released into the environment.
We determined that we were losing approximately 128,000 gallons of water daily through our backwash treatment program. We recognized that there was the possibility of us partnering up with the private sector at zero cost to the municipality to try and recover some of those funds.
Because it was going to be quite a large-scale project, and the town didn't want to actually be the ones to implement it all by themselves. We put it out to tender.
We received 3 submissions from businesses, 1 local, 2 from Western Canada.
We had been involved in the start trying to identify other sources for water. So when the project came out to be bid on, we realized the importance of what was going on and certainly made that shown in our presentation.
Due to the quality of the bid we received from our local partners, Hollands, we were able to partner with them.
The town took us in, showed us their process right from start to finish.
We worked with the Water Securities Agency, we worked with Aquatic Habitat Protection and trying to find out what was expected, and really there hadn't been a project like this before.
When you look at the facility, when you look at the turnabout, the parking, the pumps, the reservoir itself, and the fencing, a lot of that was Hollands. The town really didn't put a penny into that.
It was difficult at first to get the buy-in from the oil industry to make sure that they understood that this water was good enough, for that use.
I think we took something that was looked at as waste before. The water itself is high in iron and manganese. It's not fit for human consumption anymore. It's unnatural to the area, and it just was dumped out into a creek and disposed of. We looked at it in a different way. We looked at it as an opportunity.
We're seeing a benefit, and I mean the town obviously will see a benefit as well with making some money from a water source that was never used before.
And we've been able to partner with a local business to be able to deliver an innovative project that people around the country are interested in.
There was a lot of lessons learned, and it was a bumpy road, but we're finally have it in place, and it's working really well.
Any ways in which we can try and find efficiencies and ways to save the taxpayer is certainly a benefit to not only the local municipality, but every taxpayer who has to pay for water.